Fast, efficient, durable, easy to operate, built for mass production. The GTX600 from Brother. Mass production garment printing. The GTX600 is built for industrial level performance, optimized for low cost of ownership, engineered for easy operation, designed to create a total and sustainable solution for your mass production garment business. 5th generation GTX industrial printheads deliver vibrant, high-quality printing with 16 separate ink channels. An advanced bulk ink system filters and degasses all the inks. The white ink system agitates and recirculates the ink in 4 crucial areas. The industrial maintenance station enables longer continuous operation. The heavy-duty base features a precision platen transport system that keeps production rolling. The built-in humidifier helps control the production environment. A wet wiper blade keeps the print heads clean. The GTX works hard, and several automated features allow a single operator to control every function. Controls are clear and intuitive. The intelligent platen height system automatically ensures optimal print head distance. The print reservation system allows the operator to load new files while the printer is engaged with other functions. Quick change platen hardware allows for large area printing. These new features eliminate specialized training and advanced skill requirement, so your business can start operating quickly. Brother is at your side with supplies and support to keep your business running smoothly. Our bulk inks and consumables are designed specifically for greater operational efficiency. Our customers get industry-leading support through our global network of dealers and certified technicians, and access to online support resources, including Brother Academy. The GTX600 integrates seamlessly with other DTG equipment, paired with a digital line all-in-one pre-treat unit to create a mass production system that runs with limited staff, making your business more efficient and infinitely scalable. The GTX600 is the latest product in Brother's long line of sustainable direct-to-garment printers, manufactured with industrial parts, engineered for longer production life. Our Inobella textile inks are eco-friendly and certified GOTS 6.0 and Eco Passport by Ugotex. A big step forward for your garment printing business. The GTX600 from Brother. Mass production garment printing.